There are a variety of ways the Google Calendar features in Gemini can help you add meetings to your agenda. In today's quick tip, we'll see how. First, make sure that you have the Google Workspace connected apps enabled. Click the gear icon in the lower left near your picture. Select Connected Apps and make sure the toggle for Google Workspace is on. Connected apps allow Gemini to interact with the rest of the Google suite from within the Gemini interface. We've explored using the @Gmail feature to search email in a previous quick tip. The calendar features are somewhat limited. It can't organize your life. It is not good at finding available times or doing analysis of your day, but it can list your next meeting and upcoming events in your day. The real value it brings is being able to add events to your calendar for you. You can describe the event in the chat, or you can add events via a variety of inputs. Do you have a spreadsheet full of meetings you need to schedule? Use the plus sign to share the sheet with Gemini, and type the @ sign. You'll see a little menu come up. Choose Google Calendar, and then ask Gemini to put the events on your agenda. It will draft what it wants to do and ask you to approve. Once you've done that, they will all be visible on your calendar. You can even add events based on an image. Attach the image to the chat, or use the mobile app to take a picture using your phone. Ask Gemini to add them to your @calendar. You could add a sports schedule, a school or group events calendar, or you could even just capture a poster you see. You could even use the web search features to tell Gemini the events you wanted to add without you having to put in any other details. Check out the Gemini for Chrome video to see how you can add events from web pages using the sidebar in Chrome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.